Okay, we are back. First day of the year riding out with Elise. Finally, no more snow and nice weather. I am so ready. So I thought we might as well hit the first road. It's our Husberg, the house mountain, as I call it. I think it's perfect for the first ride. Let's go! I may be a bit rusty with driving. It's been a while since I've driven twisty roads with a Lotus. But we're still gonna have a lot of fun. Holzschlag. Some blind turns, watching out for those, but as always this is a pretty sketcy road because you can't see around a lot of turns, so we need to be careful. Okay. Sadly some traffic. I was hoping, because it's the middle of the day, there's not much traffic because most people are working right now. We love the rotations. Yeah, traffic. Maybe we'll wait a second for that bus to get away because he's gonna be slow as hell. Oh, he's going out. Thank you! That was nice of him. That was very nice of him. Oh, these turns are so good. So hyped to finally drive this again. My favorite section. Heel toe, nice turn in, slow entry, fast exit. Watch out for the blind sections. I forgot how much fun it is. No one is coming, so we can use the whole road. Whee! Very blind turn. Yes, be careful with those. Oh no, we caught up to another car. I just seen. Yeah, I think now we'll quickly go out because that guy has no chance of letting me pass. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into the gravel. That's gonna mess up my semi-slicks. Yeah, let's wait here for a second. Oh, the tires. Yeah. Always, always. My rear tires are almost done, so I need to get them replaced, as well as my front pads. And I also probably need to change the oil and the filter maybe. But yeah, I have something scheduled with Kumschik. At that day I'll probably also go for a Caterham drive, so be excited for that. I am extremely excited. Yes, now someone is coming from behind, so let's go again. Again, as always, we obey the speed limits here. I think I've told you enough, but I always have to tell it just for the new viewers. Careful here. Oh, if it wouldn't be blind, that would be such a nice turn. Rotate it a little bit. Tail is coming around so nicely. Slowing down for the crosses. Woo. And we are up already. Okay, let's quickly go out here and enjoy the views with the car. was so much fun. Now I'm eager to see how the front brakes held up because they are pretty worn right now. Yeah, let's take it a bit easy on downhill, do some of the engine braking because yeah, the front pads, they're not gonna hold much longer actually. I also hope you enjoyed my other video, the vlog video we did of the new house. We just moved in. Really exciting times for us, maybe a bit less interesting for you, but let me know in the comments below if you like those vlog style videos. Alongside the POV driving, of course. That's always going to be a priority, but I think switching up sometimes is pretty nice. Okay, so that tractor is going down. That means we have the roads to ourselves. Let's go again. But before we're going to go back, let's actually head up that road right there for a couple meters and then turn around just to have a bit more of a road, because that is quite a short road we just drove, but it's really intense. So much fun. And it's also the closest road, so yeah, I didn't want to drive too far today because on the mountains there's still quite a bit of snow. Here as well, a little bit snow, but not that much. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. I can't see anything. Is it good? That's one negative point with the 4-point harness. You can't really go forward with your head and see what's coming around. Practicing some heel towing. Rotating, yes. Yeah, I think that was already it. Let's turn around here really quickly. Now against the sun. Sun in my back, which is nice. I can see a bit more. Obviously a lot of bikes having fun here as well. The road here is still a bit damp, so we need to watch out so we don't lose the front tires. Rear tires is okay, but the understeer, as you probably know, this mid-engine car understeers at the limit. It doesn't actually oversteer, so you need to force it to oversteer. Second gear would have been better. Now the question is that guy also going straight? Yes, so we probably need to slow down and wait a bit, otherwise we'll catch up too fast. Is that my car that's squeaking? Yeah. Oh, it's the brakes. If I tap the brakes a little bit, it stops. Okay. Yeah, I think we gained enough time. It was a GR Yaris, so he probably also gives it some beans, but I still want to make sure I have a free road. And again, downhill, a bit more chill than uphill. And be excited guys, at the start of May we have some kind of a road trip planned. It's gonna be a video series. A lot of fun, a lot of nice roads I haven't driven yet. What a shame. Yeah, let's wait here really quickly. Nice in the shadow of the trees, checking if someone comes from behind. Yeah, that's the thing with these roads without a middle line. They are super nice roads, but you can't overtake on these roads, which is kind of a shame. You have to wait, or the person in front of you has to go out, has to be nice enough. Sadly, not a lot of people do that, but you can always hope for the best. Or, yeah, just like me, wait on the side until the road is free and then have some fun. it. Using the rest of those rear tires. That's why you watch out for blind corners. Always be able to brake within half line of sight on these roads. On roads with the middle line of sight is enough, but here you also have to give half of the road to the oncoming person. Yeah, here I think we need to wait again because we already caught up to the other guy. It's 80 kilometers an hour allowed on this road, and this person is probably going like 30, which is fine, I guess. That's what I have to say in these videos. I don't like it myself, but yeah, drive however you want and let people pass. Yeah, you normally think I've waited long enough, but no, you catch up so fast to these guys. Let's go. My favorite section. Downhill is not as much fun as the uphill, but still. It's really good for practicing heel toes here, because you need to brake a lot and downshift a lot. I always chill a bit when someone is oncoming. I don't want to blast past someone. I thought we waited for so long. Apparently not. He's just very slow. Very slow. And I always make sure to stop at points where I can see if someone is coming from behind. I can see from far. You don't want to stand in blind corners. Okay, let's head on again. Only 2 to 3 last curves before the road ends anyway. Woo. Bit damp here, early braking, and as always, 90 on my speedo is 80 on the GPS. So I can legally drive around 94 in an 80 zone here in Switzerland. Oh, that was the wiper. Yeah, and we already caught up again. But the road ends here anyway. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Be excited for the K-Dream drive we're doing soon. If you want to watch the review of that video, check it up here. See you in the next one. Peace.